As businesses navigate the complexities of growth and change, having a clear and effective strategy becomes paramount. But how do we ensure that everyone in the organization is on the same page, working toward the same goals? Enter the strategy map, a visual representation of an organization's strategic plan that aligns its goals with its mission and vision. If you've ever felt lost in the maze of corporate objectives, or if you've struggled to communicate your company's direction, then a strategy map might just be the tool you need. So, let's dive into the world of strategy maps in strategic management and explore how they can revolutionize the way organizations operate. First off, what exactly is a strategy map? Picture this. It's a visual tool that outlines an organization's key objectives and strategies in a way that's easy to understand. It's not just a fancy diagram, it's a roadmap that communicates the company's overall strategy to employees, stakeholders, and customers alike. Developed by Robert S. Kaplan and David P. Norton, the concept of the strategy map is a key component of the balanced scorecard framework, which focuses on performance management. A strategy map typically consists of interconnected boxes and arrows that represent the cause and effect relationships between strategic objectives. These objectives are grouped into categories like financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. By linking these objectives, a strategy map helps organizations focus on what truly matters and ensures that every action taken contributes to the overarching goals. Now, you might be wondering, why is a strategy map so important? Well, let's break it down. First and foremost, it provides a clear vision. When everyone in the organization understands the goals and objectives, they can better grasp their roles and contributions. This clarity fosters a sense of purpose and direction, which is essential for motivation and engagement. Moreover, a strategy map aligns activities with goals. It's not enough to have lofty objectives. The day-to-day activities of the organization must support these goals. By illustrating the connections between objectives, a strategy map helps ensure everyone is working toward the same vision, increasing the chances of success. Let's not forget about focus. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's easy to get sidetracked. A strategy map helps organizations concentrate their efforts on the most critical objectives, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively without wasting time on activities that don't contribute to the overall strategy. Communication is another vital aspect. A strategy map serves as a common language across the organization, facilitating discussions about goals and progress. When everyone understands the strategy, it minimizes confusion and enhances collaboration, allowing teams to work together more effectively. Accountability is also a key benefit. When objectives are clearly defined and linked, employees can see how their work contributes to the organization's success. This understanding encourages ownership and accountability, driving individuals to perform at their best. But how do we actually create a strategy map? It's a collaborative effort that involves various stakeholders. Top management plays a crucial role in setting the direction and vision, while a strategy team, comprising individuals from different departments, works to develop and implement the strategy. Subject matter experts can provide valuable insights, and stakeholders, including employees and customers, can offer feedback to ensure the map reflects the organization's needs. The process begins by defining the mission and vision of the organization, which serves as the foundation for the strategy map. Next, key objectives must be identified, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, what we call SMART objectives. Once the objectives are set, it's essential to determine key performance indicators, KPIs, that will measure progress toward these objectives. Then, we outline the 4 key perspectives: finance, customer, internal processes, and people, learning, and growth. Each perspective sheds light on different aspects of the organization's strategy. For example, the finance perspective focuses on revenue growth and profitability, while the customer perspective emphasizes satisfaction and retention. After identifying these perspectives, it's time to determine the cause and effect relationships between the objectives. This step is crucial because it illustrates how achieving one objective can impact others. Finally, we create the strategy map, ensuring it is visually appealing and easy to understand, and then communicate it to all stakeholders. Now, let's talk about the best practices for developing a strategy map. It's essential to start with the end in mind. Define the mission and vision before diving into objectives. Using a balanced scorecard approach can help ensure that all four perspectives are represented. Involving all stakeholders in the process is key, as it fosters a sense of ownership and alignment. When crafting the strategy map, focus on outcomes rather than activities. Use clear and concise language to ensure everyone understands the objectives. Simplicity is crucial. A well-designed strategy map should be visually engaging and easy to navigate. And remember, it's not a one-time exercise. Continuously review and update the map to keep it relevant. So, how can a strategy map aid decision-making? First, it provides a holistic view of the organization, allowing decision-makers to see how different objectives interrelate. This big-picture perspective is invaluable when making informed decisions. A strategy map also helps identify priorities, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively to the most critical objectives. Furthermore, a strategy map enables data-driven decision-making. With specific, measurable objectives in place, organizations can track progress and make informed choices based on real data. It serves as a framework for decision-making, helping leaders understand the potential impact of their choices on the organization's overall strategy. Communication and collaboration are also enhanced through the use of a strategy map. It provides a common language that encourages teamwork across departments, breaking down silos and fostering a culture of collaboration. Now, let's touch on the relationship between a strategy map and a balanced scorecard. While a strategy map visually represents the organization's strategy, the balanced scorecard is a performance management tool that measures progress against those strategic objectives. Essentially, the strategy map provides the framework for the objectives tracked in the balanced scorecard, ensuring alignment with the organization's overall strategy. However, implementing a strategy map isn't without its challenges. A lack of clarity in the organization's strategy can hinder the effectiveness of the map. Resistance to change is another common obstacle, as employees may be hesitant to adopt new processes. Additionally, organizations may face resource constraints, misaligned incentives, and inadequate communication, all of which can impede the successful implementation of a strategy map. The beauty of strategy maps is their adaptability. They can be tailored to suit different types of organizations. For-profit companies might focus on financial objectives, while nonprofit organizations may prioritize fundraising and stakeholder engagement. Government entities might emphasize public service improvement, and healthcare organizations can center their objectives around patient outcomes. Even startups can benefit from strategy maps as they establish their market presence. Now, let's explore how a strategy map can improve employee engagement and motivation. By clarifying the organization's purpose and providing a sense of direction, employees can see how their work contributes to achieving the organization's goals. Establishing clear expectations and fostering teamwork can also enhance engagement, as employees feel more connected to their colleagues and the organization's mission. To effectively use a strategy map for engagement, it's crucial to involve employees in the development process. When they have a say in shaping the strategy, they're more likely to feel invested in its success. Clear communication is vital as well. Regular updates and discussions about the strategy map ensure that employees understand their roles and how they contribute. Finally, let's discuss when a company should consider using a strategy map in its strategic planning process. If there's a lack of clarity in the organization's goals, a strategy map can help define objectives and visualize their relationships. During periods of stagnant growth, a strategy map can identify new opportunities and provide a clear plan for achieving them. It's also beneficial when communication issues arise, as it aligns all departments around shared goals. In conclusion, a strategy map is a powerful tool that can transform the way organizations approach strategic management. By providing a clear visual representation of objectives and their interconnections, it enhances communication, accountability, and decision-making. Despite the challenges that may arise during implementation, the benefits of improved clarity, focus, and engagement make strategy maps an invaluable asset for organizations of all types. So, if you're looking to elevate your organization's strategic planning process, consider harnessing the power of a strategy map. It just might be the key to unlocking your organization's full potential.